Now, namaste everybody. Now, so let's practice the Prasarita Padottanasana. Prasarita Padottanasana means the wide stance forward bend, which help to open the hips, hamstring, back muscle of the body, the shoulder, and more. Also, during the position, you can put attention on your physical part of the body or put your attention on the Swadhisthana chakra. So now let's warm up and prepare the position. Now, so sit into the 90 degree, which is known as the plank pose 90 degree. And then now inhale and exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And now finally exhale, hold your feet and then chin touch your knees, erect and stretch your hips and hamstring. And breathe, inhale, also you can do the side twist to prepare your muscle and body. Inhale, exhale, inhale, release. Now again sit into the 90 degree, the Dandasana, the plank pose. Bend your right, inhale, exhale, hold your foot, chin touch your knees. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. And now hold and chin touch your knees and you feel, inhale and release. Now bend your left leg, hold your foot, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now release. Now again let's do something into the standing, the warm up our hips, hamstring. The same muscle which you're going to use it. Fix open your feet in the line of the shoulder. Raise your both arms up, hand upon the buttocks. So please put on the buttocks, not on the lower back, and suppress and arch your back. Now raise your both arms up, belly in, and exhale. Bring your palms underneath your feet. And bend your knees. Inhale, exhale. Inhale while you bend, exhale while you stretch. Inhale, exhale. And now bring your both hands on the back, interlock, and now you shake. Now inhale, raise your both hands upon the buttocks and arch your back. So this way also you can do warming up, 3 rounds, 6 rounds, 9 or 12 rounds. Depend on your time, depend on your flexibility, depend on your requirement. Now let's practice the version 1 for Prasarita Padottanasana. Stand into the palm tree pose, hand by the side, spine straight, neck straight. And then gradually open your right leg, open your left leg, only open, and wrist and ankle bone should be in the one line. So shouldn't be confused how much to open. Measure your wrist and ankle should be into the line, means square your body. And then raise your both arms up, belly in, lean your body to 90 degree from your hips, not from your shoulder. Then 45, 25, and then palms on the ground in the same line. And spine is straight, contract your belly in, and breathe. Deep inhale, high exhale, and you can feel opening your scapulas and shoulder and more. And breathe. Now bring your fingers and toes in one line and palms and shoulder in one line. So please try to understand. Fingers and toes in one line and shoulder and palms in one line. And bend your elbows 90 degree and high exhale, crown on the ground. So you can use the cushion, and if you have flexibility also you can remove the cushion, you don't need it. So depend on the flexibility. So if you need, you can use, if you don't need, but hold it for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, and put your attention on physical aspect, or put your attention on the chakra, on the Swadhisthana chakra. Eye closed, authentic breathe, and gain the benefits of this position. And after holding, then gradually inhale and you go for counter pose. So bring your hand upon the buttocks and arch your back and hold it, and you feel the opening your quad muscle, front hips, lower abdomen. Raise your both arms up, and then let's practice for again to measure and to practice for version 2. So again inhale, raise your both arms up, belly in and go for 90 degree, 45, 25, and palms on the ground, and erect and stretch here. And then you stretch, so you can see the shoulder, scapulas and arm and leg straight. Bring your fingers and toes in one line once again. Bend your elbows and high exhale, your crown on the ground. The version 1 done. Now version 2, hold your big toes, turn your elbows, and then put your attention on the hips, hamstring, and attention on Swadhisthana chakra. Hold and then come up, and again bring your hand upon the buttocks and arch. And then also, those who can, you can open your right hand, you can open your left hand, and try without hand. Now again, both hands, open wrist and ankle in the same line. Now, let's do version 3. Or you can have a first relax, bring your left, bring your right, and relax into the palm tree pose. And have a take deep breath. Now again, open your right leg, open your left leg, and both arms up, your wrist and ankles in the same line. Raise your both arms up, fingers and toes in one line, spine is straight, neck is straight. And now 90 degree, 45, 25, palms on the ground. Again you stretch your leg, open the fascia from eyebrow till the toes. Now bring your fingers and toes in one line, shoulder and palms in one line, bend your elbows, high exhale and crown on the ground. Now again hold your ankle from outside, turn your elbow, this is the version 3. And then hold, put your attention on physical aspect, put your attention on mental or psychic on the Swadhisthana chakra, which really work if you practice and put your, this is the ancient style of yoga. That in ancient yogi, they were focusing, and it also helps to develop your meditation, develop your concentration if you continue practice with the concentration. Inhale up, let's do the counter position. Bring your hand upon the buttocks and arch your back, open your quad muscle lower, and then if you can, open your right hand, open your left, and then go back then again come up, then hand, and then also you can relax. Bring your left leg and bring your right leg, relax into the standing posture. So it is not compulsory to practice all the positions, but just to here clarify that how many versions Prasarita Padottanasana. So now again the next version, open your right, open your left, both arms up in the line of the wrist and ankle in the same line, and then raise your both arms up. Now belly in, lean 90 degree, 45, 25, palms on the ground. Now let's practice for version 4. So now bring again your fingers and toes in one line, bend your elbows, and then hold and exhale your crown on the ground. Now for the version 4, again bring your both hand up, interlock, and then stretch as much as you can, and hold, and you feel your hips, hamstring, feel your lower abdomen region, and in this way improve your concentration, deep meditation, which work for the Swadhisthana chakra. Now deep inhale, raise your both arms up, bring your hand upon the buttocks, and then gradually arch your back, hold, open your right arm, open your left, stay here and breathe, and then both arms up, again open wider, bring your left leg and bring your right leg, and relax into the standing position, and you feel it. Take deep inhale and deep exhale. Now once again to practice version 5, open your right leg, open your left leg. Both arms up, open in the line of shoulder level, your wrist and ankle in the same line. Raise your both arms up and bring your arms behind your ear, belly in. Do not bring forward. Your hand always behind the ear. Now belly in, lean to forward 90 degree, 45, 25, palms on the ground. Stay here, spine straight, neck straight. Now bring your fingers and toes in one line, bend your elbows and crown on the ground. Now again, bring your both hands on the back prayer. This is the version 5. Hold, breathe, bring your attention on the physical level, on the mental level, psychic level, and then this way you develop your meditation, your deep concentration. So this is the version 5 of Prasarita Padottanasana. Wide stance, forward bend. Again raise your both arms up. Let's go for the counter. Counter is the most important. Bring your hand upon the buttocks and arch your back, and then open your right hand, open your left hand. Stay, raise up, and then bring your hand by the side, bring your left leg and bring your right leg, and relax into the. Now once again for the 6th version, open your right, open your left, both arms up, your wrist and ankles in the same line, both arms up. Bring your hand behind the ear, belly in, 90 degree, 45, 25, palms on the ground. Erect, stretch and breathe. Now again, bring your fingers and toes in one line, and shoulder and palms in one line. Bend your elbows, hold, and exhale, crown on the ground. Now, for the sixth version, with the right hand hold your anchor, with the left hand hold your right foot, and keep your shoulder wider and chin touch your leg, and then shoulder wider, spine is straight, and then both elbows should be wider. So this is the version 6. Again come to the center, forehead touch the ground, and now again with the left hand hold your left ankle, right hand hold your foot, and then again chin touch your center of your leg, and stay here and breathe. Again come to the center and then exhale, crown on the ground. Now again raise your both arms up, your hand upon the buttocks, and arch your back gradually, and then those who can open your right arm, open your left, stay here, hold, feel the counter. Then again come up, open your hand, bring your left leg and bring your right leg together. Again, so now we have practiced the sixth version of Prasarita Padottanasana, which is known as the wide stance, forward bend, and which work for the hips, hamstring, all the back part of the body, and work for the Swadhisthana chakra. So if you like our channel, so please like, share, subscribe.